how to use Trust Wallet on PC. Now if you want to use Trust Wallet on PC, simply come to trustwallet.com here. Once you come to trustwallet.com, now you don't log in directly on your browser, but what you first have to do is you need to add an extension. So here you'll find download extension. Click on download extension and select your appropriate browser from the list. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Once you select that, you have to simply add the Trust Wallet extension to your browser by clicking on the add to Chrome option. In my case, it's already added, so you're seeing remove from Chrome. Now once you've done that, and if you've pinned it, you'll find the extension here, or you can click on the extension icon and then you can also click on Trust Wallet from here. As you've done that, you can see now that it will ask me to import or maybe create a new wallet. So depending upon what I want to do, I'll simply go ahead and then able to use Trust Wallet on PC. So the trick here is to download the extension and use it as an extension. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.